What's up, guys? So back on the video here. We got a case from Ringke, a video from Ringke rather. I got two cases and something that's like a pop socket. So let's start. So we got the iPhone XX Max, that's what we're going to be doing today. I got it in an outer box, not sponsored. I actually bought this for myself. It kind of looks cool. But we got the Ringke Fusion. This guy goes for $8.99 on Amazon. I'm going to bring it up there so you can scan the QR. And we also got the triple layer one, which I assume gives more protection. You can get the QR, the code there as well. You can scan it if you want. And these are the pop socket type thingies. You can grab that. Now we're going to look at the first one, which is the clear one, which is the one I was rocking out. If you follow me on Twitter, you saw me post it. This guy goes for $8.99. It's military drop grade. It's eco-friendly. There's all your links and social media for them. It's made in Korea, so it's not made in China. So let's take a look at it. Now, I used this one, obviously. So I took there was like a protective, I'll show you in a minute. There was the usual protective layer that goes here and goes in the back. So, I took it off because I was using it. It gives you an upgrade card if you want to get some stuff from them coupon codes. We're not going to do that. But here it shows you how to put it on and whatnot. I'm going to show you how to do that here. It's got the thank you card that a lot of these people have been sending out. All right, so let's pop it out of this outer box so we can show you what this is like. All right, so let me shine it up real quick. Let me clear off my lock screen so I'm not blowing anybody up. All right, so there we go. We got the Gold Max on deck. All right, let's clean up this case. And now we're just going to drop in like so. People just keep sending me messages. So that's what it looks like. You got pretty good lip all around. If you guys that like to slam the phone down and whatnot, you got pretty good lip all around. That's with tempered glass. That's not, the glass isn't touching the table. It looks sweet on the phone. Now, Ringke, however you want to say their names, they do say that this is military grade. I actually had to look on Amazon to verify because I know they were having a problem with their packaging way back when everything was marked as military, even though it wasn't. It feels like it is because compared to this outer, which is like 50 bucks, it feels like it is, honestly. It's very thick, kind of, I don't know what kind of material it is. It's very thick. It's like a polycarbonate of some sort. I like it. It keeps your phone looking sexy. Now, I jump around cases, so don't mind. I use all kind of different stuff, and I go bare as well. But for $8.99, you can't go wrong here. There's minimal branding on the side. There really isn't much really going on. Cutouts are on spot. Like as usual, I like to look at the bottom. You notice the spot over here is cut out. So they used an early dummy to make this one, which I always find interesting. They have this for the XS and the XX Max and the X and so forth. I'm gonna drop a link down below where you guys can pick this up. Again, it's $8.99 for this guy. This one's my favorite so far. I used it over the weekend. All right, we're gonna look at this guy now. This is the SF Black. This is the dual layer guy. See, this one I don't like a little bit more. I don't like this one because you don't get to see the Apple logo and all the fun stuff that you're buying these expensive phones for. But inside, as you can see, you got your military grade drop whatnot in there. Ringke Dual X. It's got the little honeycomb type design where you're going to protect. You can tell that this is a little bit more of a protective case. I would feel better dropping my phone if I did have this guy on. But like I said, hey, you're going to lose the cool factor of the phone. The case kind of looks cool. Don't mind my dog in the background. He's trolling. Gizmo, you trolling, huh? But the case looks, it looks kind of cool. For razivity, it's got pretty good around the edges. That's not touching the table. So that's cool. All right, now we're going to look at this. I honestly didn't get the price on this. I'm sorry. I just grabbed it real quick. It's something that I'm not going to install. I do use for wireless charging. I don't feel like taking it out of my case and fooling around, but we're gonna check out. They sent me two. One's black, one's clear. It's more or less like a pop socket type thing. So what you would do is you would stick it on the back of your case like so, and then you know, you got your finger there, and up to you kids and whatnot if you like that. Anyway, this is a short little video showing off these two cases. In my opinion, if you got the nice gold iPhone like I do, go with this guy for $8.99. You can't beat it. I mean, it's literally almost the same thing as this $50 out of box. Yeah, this is a little bit stiffer, and it's got the name going back with it, but for $8.99, you can't go wrong. I use this. As you saw in the pictures, you know, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Alrighty guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, share it around, drop me down in the comments. You know, I'll answer as quickly as I can like I normally do. Alrighty guys, so see you in the next one. Again, you know, thumbs up, share it around. Thanks Ringke again for the cases. Love them. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. Peace. Laters.